People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting and subscribing, and big up in yourself for always tuning in to my videos, people. I truly appreciate it. So today we are back with another update in the Kaylan Dowdie situation, people, where it's been reported that 2 of the 3 women sought by the police in connection with the attack of Kaylan Dowdie have turned themselves in. The women were accompanied by their attorney to the Constant Spring police station this afternoon. They are expected to be questioned. So people, once again, if you're not familiar with the situation, Kaylan Dowdie, a past student of Papine High School, is currently on life support after she was beaten at a party by a group of women November 7th along Barbican Road. And right now she is in a coma, people. You see me? And also another update is Kaylan's mom took to Facebook to make a Facebook live video talking about a fake GoFundMe page that was created, people. Like, how can people be so evil? How can people try to benefit and make GoFundMe accounts of a situation like this, people? How can people be so evil? Like, this person created a GoFundMe page because Kaylan's mom came out and said that, you know, they need help with the MRI and thing, and somebody created a GoFundMe page so that people can donate to them, and what am I gonna do? I end up keeping the money. Yo, how wicked and cruel can some people be, man? People evil, you know. Kaylan's mom said there is only one GoFundMe page that was created by her sister. Is only one GoFundMe page, people. So if you know see no other GoFundMe page out there, it's fake. Kaylan Dowdie only has one GoFundMe page, people. People, you know, if you stop them foolishness there, that's cruelty and, you know, wicked fear do that. How you not try profit off a situation like this? I try make GoFundMe page for people donate money to, you know. Yo, you don't need to do better. You don't need to do better, people. And this is the video of Kaylan Dowdie's mom telling you what is actually going on, people. All right.
Good morning, Facebook. Me not even wash my face yet, for sure now. I've not even washed my face as yet. I just wake up from about 5 really, and wake up from about 5 o'clock. First thing I'm addressing is a fake GoFundMe page by Simon McAuliffe. Simon, I'm reporting it to the fraud squad ASAP. People, there's only one GoFundMe page, and that page is managed by and organized by my sister, my blood sister, Kaylan's aunt, Angela May Kelly. That is the only GoFundMe page. Do not support any other GoFundMe. If I did not say support the page, don't support it. If you don't see me say I gave permission for any fundraising, that means I did not give any permission for any fundraising. Any fundraising that is being done for Kaylan has to be approved by me, because I am the one who is going to have to speak to the bank and the police when time the problem comes. Please. Don't want anybody trying to reap anything off of Kaylan. Kaylan's journey has just begun, and the bills them is very expensive. People, do not make any fake pages on behalf of me, my family, or Kaylan Dowdie. We are not standing for it. Whatever the little page where we have, whatever we can raise on it, I am grateful and I am thankful for it. Because remember, we don't give anybody anything to put down. It's just an unfortunate circumstances which we have, and the bills are overwhelming. Kaylan's recovery will cost a lot. Kaylan is still in a coma. Kaylan is still unconscious. Kaylan is still on life support. Her BP is still dropping, still not maintaining her BP on her own. Right? I don't want, right now we have to be, the doctors are fighting for her. She has a blood clot in the left arm that they're trying to get under control before it goes to the lungs. You understand? It's a lot. Okay, yesterday when I went to the hospital, she was looking so droopy. I even had to ask them if she was on any sedative. And they said, no, she's not on any sedatives. Please do not make fake pages. This is a life and death situation. I'm a child life hanging in the balance. Me no need nobody to try and ruin it. Right? People don't need to be mindful and be, oh my man, come on man, people, come on man. You're that heartless? You people are that heartless? That's not going to make it. And people, I see people starting to support it because everybody is rallying around and trying to do their best to help Kaylan. And me appreciate it. Me glad for know say me not alone in that fight here. I'm glad to know that I'm not alone because the mothers have been reaching out, the fathers have been reaching out, everybody has been reaching out. Even children have been reaching out. And you people going to make a fake page? Simon McAuliffe, your page is fake. Fake page. I did not give such permission. I not even open my eye this morning when somebody sent it to me. I said, if this is right. I said, no, it's a fake page. Fake fundraiser. Nobody should click on it. Angela May Kelly organizing Kaylan's GoFundMe. Tammy Faye is doing a fundraiser for Kaylan as well on Facebook, who is associated with Auntie Donna. Those are the pages you should be going to. If you don't see me on video giving permission, then it is not true. If you don't see me making any reports and updates, it is not true. I said this day before yesterday, so I'm even shocked that people actually went ahead and started donating to that fake page. Come on, people. Kaylan need prayers. Kaylan, we need to pray for Kaylan lungs so Kaylan can start breathing on her own. That's what's holding up the MRI right now. Right? We need Kaylan to start breathing. Right? Yes, I've been receiving money from Ashanti. I see your messages. I have been receiving money from Ashanti in regards to, but how, no, I don't know how, no, I don't, I see your messages. I don't know how transparent it is, but he has been doing something. Well, I can look into the transparency. Yes, I can see the messages. I can look into the transparency of his program, but so far I have no problems with him. He has been turning up. He has been calling. He has been checking up. He has become a friend, and I don't know the credibility, but I will check on it. You know, I can't call out someone without reason. And I want you all to understand that I'm not a person to judge. I'm not a person. I always give people the benefit of the doubt because I look for the good in people. That's the first thing I do. Everybody that comes and reaches out to her, I look for the good in them. They have to prove me wrong, and then I can say, then it is so or it is not so. But so far, Ashanti has been a blessing. As for the fake GoFundMe page, I want you all to report it. If you see it as you see it, report it. As soon as you catch sight of it, report it. Only GoFundMe, only one. And that's why we decided that we don't want another one, because we don't want any confusion. It's better when we reach our money, we push it up and try to get a little more for her, because you know the care going to take a lot, than to have 2 or 3 GoFundMe pages and confuse the public. And then other fake pages start popping up and we don't know who they belong to, where they're from, where they're going. Right? So that is it. Kayla needs prayers more than even money right now. Prayers. We need to pray for her lung. I'm going into fasting and prayer for these lungs because they need to start working. Mighty God. Why people trying to message me at the same time while I'm doing the live? I don't know, I'm not a phone person. I don't understand this phone thing, because it's just since all of this started, I did my first live. I don't know. You understand? People, please do not make any more fake pages. It will let people pull back and not want to support. And she need the support. I just beg on this one little time for just ease off of the scamming. Once, for once. See, my face not even wash. Because I say, no, we have to put a stop to this fakeness and this scamming business where them are going with. Right? Please. Stop it. All of the people will reach out. Everybody that has reached out to Kaylan so far. I appreciate you guys. I thank you. I know we are all going through a difficult time, and trust me, the support is overwhelming. The support is overwhelming, and I thank you. I appreciate even the little picking them when I call me and I say, Mommy, we're praying for Kaylan, you know. I appreciate you know. I appreciate you know. So just please, no make no more fake page. No try and take from the little where she get. Because people might see it and think it's a lot, but it not reach nowhere. It is nowhere. It's just a drop in the bucket at the moment. But we are thankful. We are thankful. We are thankful. When Kaylan wake up, I'm making sure that I save the lives. I didn't save the first one because I didn't know that I could. I never understand it. But after I was told how to save it, and I'm saving all the lives. So she can play them and see every night. I don't know how to cut off the call. The last time I tried it ended the live. I'm learning, people. Kaylan is the phone guru. She's the internet guru. She get CXC in a IT. So Kaylan have IT in CXC. I don't know anything about this phone thing. Me just know so I can make a little post, and I just know that I can make some calls and do me little WhatsApp, and them show me how to use Snapchats. I'm not a phone person like that. If you know all of the aspects and the introspects of phone. Kaylan get IT in CXC, a bright girl. Because I don't know nothing about that. But you know, it's just sudden that people can take advantage of a situation as serious as this. You understand? It's just sad that people can. I wasn't going to do a live until later when I leave the hospital. But the fact that I see this page and I know how fast you guys are responding, I just want to shut it down immediately. Right? Immediately. Yes, thank you guys. I'm trusting on God. I see you guys. Chanel Upset, I see you. Tammy Faye, hi Tammy. I love you, darling. I love and appreciate you. Maxine Fagan, I see you. Shamoy White. Yeah, man, me I try. Nicole support. Me, I'm trying. Cy Paris. I see you guys. Sheens Wellington. Tamara Brown. You girl, I love you. Tamara has been a support. Trust me, she call me every day. I love you guys. Camille Taylor, you know, you're my baby from day one. You know, don't make fake pages. And people, once you see a page that is not organized by Angela May Kelly, flag it immediately. Immediately. Any page that you don't see me supporting, personally, me giving permission and saying, go support that page, don't support it. Once you see me involved, don't support it, right? Don't support it. Me I gotta learn how to turn off them notifications and something here today, because I don't want them constantly interrupting with like a conversation that we're having. You understand? But guys, I want to call down heaven for Kaylan. Call down heaven, bring heaven on earth for Kaylan. Her lungs, we need to pray for the lungs. The lungs need to come in. The lungs are hampering a lot of things for her progress. It's a hamper. Progress that could have been made, lots of things that she could have already been doing if she had only been at least breathing a little bit on her own. The machine is doing everything. She's not breathing any at all on her own. And that is the main concern right now. I'm not concerned about nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters at the moment. It's just Kaylan right now for me. I don't want to hear about no police, no gal, no bad man, no nothing. Just Kaylan. I want to stay focused because all those things are just distractions to keep us from praying, from calling on God. That's their only distractions. Oh, put the phone on silent. I see that. All right. Next live, I make sure I put it on silent before I start the live. That means nobody can disturb we little get together. Kaylan party on Facebook, right? Kaylan prayer support on Facebook. You know, everybody asking how I'm doing. It's rough. I'm not lie. It's rough. It's rough. It's rough. It's rough to know that every time I go into the hospital, like, she can't talk to me. She can open the eyes. She can't focus to look at me. She can't say anything. Sometimes she should make a little facial expression as if she want to say she's trying to communicate. But it's not a good feeling to see the child that you grow and you know you go your picnic good and you try to make them stay out of problems and people way, and then, you know, to see them being wronged, and then you can't do anything about it. You understand? But, you know, God is in the vessel. God is in the vessel. And a lot of people are saying that Kaylan brought them closer to God. And a lot of people are saying that who have never prayed before are praying now. So, you know, God said to me, the world needs to pray. And I delivered. Because all I did was one live in regards to Kaylan. And Kaylan, not me. Kaylan got the world to pray. Who could it be but God? Who could it be but the Lord? So I know say him are going to restore her, because on the prayers not going answered. Just the faith of a mustard seed. Just the faith of a mustard seed. That's all we need. That's all we need. So all of us pull together and let us find this mustard seed faith. Let us find the mustard seed faith for Kaylan. Because we're all on one accord. All our hearts are saying the same thing. God must listen. God must listen. Because Kaylan's name is being repeated in his ears constantly. Pray. Call on God. Call her name. She must wake up. God must do it. God can do it. Only God can do it. Only God can do it. Yes, darling, me not lose faith. Even yesterday when I spoke to the doctors, they're saying that, you know, she had a little relapse, and I won't go into detail because I'm trying to be as private as possible and as transparent as possible, because I know you guys want updates on what is happening. I know you guys want updates on what is happening. She had a little incident. I won't go into detail, but just know that, you know, we need to pray more. It kind of shake me up and thing, but you know, I never cried because me said, God, if me cry, that mean me now put 100% faith in you. And if I start to worry, then that mean I don't trust you. And I can't afford to have doubt at a time like this. Can't afford to have any doubt in my mind at a time like this. I have to know. The friend requests are coming in. People, may I try to answer the friend requests, but there are a lot. Remember, people messaging me on Instagram, people messaging me on my personal number, 3621827, and trying to reach out to help. People offering all kind of things, all kind of help for Kaylan. Everybody say them a Kaylan auntie and grandma and sister and brother. Right now, Kaylan has a world of family, and I love you all for reaching out to her, right? But we need to pray for the lungs. She needs to be able to maintain her blood pressure, right? She needs to be able to do these things so that we can move her around to get the tests done that are necessary. That is what we need to be praying for. If you can fast, fast. If you can't fast, pray. If you can't pray, bawl. If you can't bawl, call her name. Just like God, Kaylan, God, Kaylan, God, Kaylan, Jesus, Kaylan. If I even that, just call her name. He will listen. He will hear. You understand? He must listen. Because we're going to make him listen. We not stop until him listen. Kaylan shall live. She shall live. She shall be a testimony. She go sing one whole heap of song. We go sing and dance to. And sing up praises. She go be a walking testimony. Kaylan will be a walking testimony. She gonna be a miracle. She changing the world. Kaylan is changing the world.